What you saying, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back with another video for you guys today. First of all, I want to say happy Thursday to all of you guys. Thank you guys for your support in yesterday's video. Now I want to say that this is my second day in London. I'm at my Airbnb and I thought I'd just show you guys a little bit about what's happening, give you a mini tour so you guys can see, exactly what kind of thing people are doing. From the outside it looks like a great house, a big house. When you go inside and you see what's really happening, you're really amazed. Now the people that are hosting me, they're making some good money. And if you saw them in the street, you probably wouldn't expect that they're making this kind of money. But I'm sure, that what they're doing here is a great model and you guys can learn from it. So like I said, in today's video, I'll just give you guys some tips. Hopefully you guys can use them, learn from them, and maybe help yourself set something up, further down the line in the future. Now I'll do a little voiceover over the first bit because I don't want to, disturb anyone else who's in the house. But the last bit, I'll, just do a recap of what we've talked about today. Also, if you've not already subscribed, please subscribe. For some reason, YouTube's messing up my subscribe count, keeps taking away subs. We were over 1,100, now we're back down to like 1,089. I don't know why. But either way, if you're not subscribed, hit that red button below. Appreciate my efforts making a video for you guys while I'm on holiday. But the usual stuff, like, comment, share, subscribe, all that stuff. But now let's go and do a little mini tour and let me show you guys where I'm staying and what exactly these people are doing. So the mini tour of the Airbnb begins. So it's actually quite a nice setup. I think they can host 7 different people. On this floor they have 6 rooms. 2 of them are currently taken. I know for a fact that this room is not taken, so we can have a quick look here. The good thing is they have a nice little setup. A bed, a chair, table with a light on, a kettle if you want to make tea, some towels, and of course a TV. That's quite nice. And like I said, they're hosting a few different people, and I think most people are paying the same amount. But yeah, it's a nice little setup here. Hey guys, that's me.
What's up guys?
But the good thing is they're really nice hosts, and like I said, they got a great business model going on here. So you've seen 4 of the rooms. But now let's take a look at my room. And there's also 2 more rooms over there. And I'm sure you guys are going to be impressed by this. And now we get to see my room. So it's pretty cool. And then, yeah, as I was saying, it's just have like a really nice setup. To be honest, this is really good, really great hostility. Some food, some breakfast there, a little fridge, some juice inside. Yeah, something to eat, which I'll probably eat now actually. Some tea, of course the TV, my bed, and then outside. So hopefully you guys have learned a little bit. I didn't expect it to be this nice. I knew it was nice, but I didn't expect the hospitality to be this great. But like I said, this is a very cool setup. I know you're seeing the same thing again, but this should open you guys' minds. People are really out here making a lot of money from all sorts of different things. And even just me going on a little holiday shows exactly how, people are still doing a little bit of money management and using business ideas to help them succeed. So, yeah, hopefully you guys have enjoyed today's video. Hopefully you guys have learned something, because each and every day my aim is to help you guys learn, become better, understand more about money and stuff like that. And today I've shown you guys a pretty cool business model. So pretty much, it should open you guys' minds, because there are people out here, I'm sure, let's be honest, I'm sure that all of us who are staying here, I guess 3 or 4 different people, I'm sure we're paying for the, these people's rent for the month. I'm pretty sure. Other people are staying here, multiple weeks, like the whole month. Other people are staying here, a couple months. Other people are staying here a year. So I tell you, I'm pretty sure we're paying for the, the rent of the people who are in the house. And there's nothing wrong with that, They're using their house. I guess they renovated it, made it bigger, and really made a nice business model out of it. So again, this should open you guys' minds. Maybe tomorrow I'm not going to do a trading video, I maybe do one Tuesday next week because that'll be my last day here. Monday motivation, we'll see how it goes. I think I can get one out for you guys. Weekend videos, we'll see. I will make a video tomorrow about investing because right now, if you guys have seen the stock market, definitely potential to invest. And yeah, we'll just see what happens. But overall, I hope you guys enjoyed today's different kind of video. Make sure you guys to like, subscribe, comment, share, all the good stuff as always. But that's it for me. I've been Money Management. I've got some fun to be having. You've got money to be making. See you guys tomorrow for Financial Friday. Peace.